Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. 5 minutes in my day today. It's early morning. It's probably 6:30 in the morning. It's just daylight. Isn't that awesome? And I thought these butter peas were about done, so I've been leaving them for seed. And Danny let me know there's some great butter peas on here. I pick a few every few days just to have a handful to eat. And I added some to my okra that I put up a day or so ago in my crock pot. But hey, let me show you something. These things are still, they have butter peas. So I'm gonna pick some fresh and leave some for seed. All right, as you can see here, this thing is full. You see how full that is? That's when you want to pick butter peas, when they look fat like that. This one is not quite there. So we're gonna leave that one. But look at this. It's still blooming. And these two down here, look at this, they're fat. See how fat? These are ready to pick. So on this one, there's another one, but it's not ready. That one's not ready. This one's not ready. And this one's not ready. And we do have some disease on this because, hey, it's been going all summer. You can't expect it to be great. But look at here. There's two more. Now these are turning and they didn't fill out. So let me show you some that we had issues with. See this? This one did not fill out. It's turning. It won't make seed and it's not good to eat. It's just the weather got it. So there's one up here. Those type you don't want. This one, way out here on the end, ready to eat. One way over here, ready to eat. All right, 2 plants. And look at this. 2 plants. Now that may not seem like a lot, but when you're adding just a few beans to a little bit of okra and corn and stuff, this is a meal, guys. It helps. So we're going to go through here and pick a few more, and we're going to see how many butter peas we actually get today. Look at this. I mean, this is crazy. Guys, I'm totally amazed. Look at this. This one plant I've done picked probably 5 or 6 off of. And look under here at the blooms and the beans. But look at this. The beans hanging under there. Isn't that crazy? I have this whole row. And look at this. I mean, they're just hanging everywhere. So we're going to have fresh beans all over. But I also have that row over there. And y'all see that? It's about as loaded. So we're going to have fresh butter peas. My day just changed from painting to picking and shelling. All right, guys, I got through picking these 2 rows of butter peas, and guess what? This is a 10-quart bucket, and it's over 3/4 of the way full. So I'd say 7 to 8 quarts of unshelled butter peas. And don't confuse these with butter beans. These are butter peas. So when you go to look for butter peas on sites that you are looking to buy seeds. And guys, Deep South doesn't have any for sale. Let's just get that out of the way right now because I'm going to have a million questions, but no, none for sale. And I'm headed to the pier. I get to sit on the pier, shell, drink a cup of coffee, and possibly listen to music and watch the water and listen to saws. Danny's working on my greenhouse. Let's head to the pier, guys. Wow, look at my door. It's looking awesome, baby.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Hang on just a minute. Let me. Whoa! All right. They finally kicked in.
Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome.
I couldn't leave them for seed. Ain't nobody getting seed.
I hear you.
We're going to eat fresh October the 23rd.
Picking butter peas. October, yeah, the 23rd today.
Look at this, too. Y'all, isn't this gorgeous? This greenhouse is kicking in since Danny got my plastic on. You can't beat that. And I've got okra ready to pick, so we're going to have our okra and corn and butter peas and salsa mix. I see that for supper. Do you like that idea?
That sounds like a winner to me.
Well, while you work, I'm headed to the pier. I'm going to watch the fish.
Yeah.
Drink a little coffee. And shell a little beans.
I hear you.
Okay, guys, when you shell, I cut my fingernails yesterday. Shouldn't have. I didn't know I was shelling, but if you've got a little bit of a fingernail, the pointed end, I take and put my nail right there and just pop it. And that's the easy way to shell a bean, because we have people all the time wanting to know how. This one, since there's no bean there, I just pop it right there and it goes open. And look, usually there's 3 beans, and these are fat. They're not flat like butter beans, they're fat like peas. Sometimes there's 4 in there, and once they start getting ready, they start turning a touch of a pinkish red like these. And sometimes even that's more, they're still tender at this stage as long as that's green. You don't want to end up with dry ones. Now this is dry. When you open these, and I'm going to show you this one because it's dry, this is what they're going to look like dried. Like a pea, only it's a butter bean. So I'm going to sit here and shell a while. I got a few laying over here to dry for seeds. Got my cake, my coffee, and Danny and I are going to have a snack, guys. See you later.
Jumping down to the ground, that's what I seen. Come out here. He'll jump back up on that post.
Let me find the post. I've got.
He's going down there. He's going down getting stuff, grasshoppers or something.
There, I see him. He hadn't come back yet.
Where did he go? He flew somewhere across the back of the. Oh, he's sitting on the fence now. Come up a little higher with your phone.
Is that him?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's sitting on the fence.
Okay.
He's flying out there catching grasshoppers.
Well, good job. As long as he ain't messing with my chickens.
No, he's not messing with the chickens right now. But I knew I saw something over the back of that dam keep up and down, up and down.
That's as close as I can get him.
He's just sitting there. Oh, see, there he is.
There he is. He's back on the post.
He watches, and when he sees a grasshopper hop on the ground, he dives in and gets him.
Well, maybe he gets rats and everything.
Oh, he'll get rats, yeah. But there ain't no mice out there in that open field. I mean, go there. It's just amazing. I kept hitting her for the last 30 minutes. I'd see something up and down on that, over that dam, and I couldn't make out what it was. And finally, I realized it's a hawk. He's trying to
Find him something.
get him something to eat. He's been living back there in the woods all summer.
Isn't that awesome?
I mean, this is what I like about being able to have a place like this where you can sit and observe nature, you know, doing its thing. And he's not bothered by us because we've been sitting here the whole time.
And talking.
Yeah, we've been sitting here talking, and it's what gets me is those squirrels right beside him over here on a tree, going up and down a tree.
So they're not scared of him either.
Remember I told you the squirrels were barking for a reason?
Yeah.
That's what it is. Uh-oh, look at him.
He spotted something.
There he goes. He goes down.